How to reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. Go ahead and open up TikTok application. Just make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do is go to the comment section. And once you get to the comments, you could just go ahead and select any kind of comment that you want to reply with a video. So tap on this reply button, and here you could either type in a text reply, or right besides there you'll find the video icon. Just tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see the comment sticker, and you could just choose filters, add text, or just record a short video. And once you are done recording, tap on done, and you can just post the video, and they will be notified about your reply, and it should be good to go. Just tap on next and tap on post, and you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.